Hello everyone! Ikaw ba'y isang breadwinner? Meron ka bang mga dependents o miyembro ng pamilya na umaasa sa'yo? If yes, then this video is for you. Hi! I am Miss Via, and together let's say hi to the brighter you, where we'll talk about life, finances, and adulting. The leader of the band is tired, and his eyes are growing old. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. This is my breadwinner story. Last 2018, we lost Daddy, ang leader of the band ng family namin. It was an accidental death, kaya naman di namin inasahan ang maagang pagkawala niya. To make the long story short, ako ang sumalo sa role ng pagiging breadwinner dahil ako ang panganay. All my savings were wiped out. It was my senior year, so I had to be a working student by teaching private music lessons weekly to be able to graduate. May kilala ka din bang breadwinner? Now, let's talk about income protection and why it is important. Income protection is the income that you will leave behind your family. It is your legacy of love for them. Para ito ang financial love letter na nagpapatunay ng role mo bilang provider sa iyong pamilya kapag dumating na ang mga biglaang pangyayari sa buhay. Yes, God is our great provider. And we, in return, should be a responsible steward in using these resources to take care of our family. Income protection is not about policy. It's about ensuring that if the leader of the band stops playing, the music doesn't have to stop for everyone else. By securing your income protection, you are essentially pre-funding your family's future milestones. You are making sure na ang isang graduating student ay makakapagtapos on time nang walang iniisip na financial crisis. It serves as a way of providing them with a breathing room to grieve and grow nang hindi nila pinapasan ang bigat ng mga unpaid bills or mga utang na kailangan pang isettle. So, don't wait for that wake-up call moment to realize the value of protection. Kung ikaw ang inaasahan ng pamilya mo, let's make sure na maaasahan nila tayo para sa magandang kinabukasan na pinangako natin sa kanila. Comment protect below or send me a message. Let's sit down and build a plan that keeps your family's music playing no matter what. Because the brighter you starts with the protected them. Thank you so much for watching this learning session with me. God bless and take